Hello viewers, today I was telling about beginners of Instagram account. I will guide you some steps and tips. So I was created one Instagram account. So it is a story of our Instagram account. So I was taking a click picture. So it is a songs. I was taking a song of animal.
ਉਹ ਖਾੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਂਗ ਖੜ ਉਹ ਖਾੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ
So
ਡਾਂਗ
we have
ਖੜ ਕੇ
different types of
ਉੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਲੜਾਈ ਭਾਰੀ ਉਹ ਖਾੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਂਗ ਖੜ ਕੇ
so like this we will put a story on Instagram account. So it is a search bar. If you I was searching for one name, Prabhas. Mahesh Babu. So we need to follow him. So here we have an option follow. He is the actor of Indian Telugu cinema. So we need to see the reels means it is the reels. So these are the posts and these are the reels. So this is our Instagram account. We need to edit our profile means like this. I was typing the name of the boy. So here we need to put a profile photo. Which photo which you like. So these are the business of basic. Thank you.